everyone, my name is Pranjal. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna be sharing with you DIY hairband. So let's get started with today's video. We are going to make this DIY out of old cloth. We will need some wire. I took the wire of 85 cm, some needle, thread and scissor. I cut the cloth in 85 cm in the length and the width of the cloth is 10 cm. So half of the width is 5 cm. We have to turn the cloth in the back and just sew it with the needle and thread as I am showing. Now we have to cut the cloth in the leaf shape. As I showed, we have to cut in a leaf shape and then turn it inside out the cloth. Once we turn it inside out, we have to pull the wire inside the cloth. Just put the wire inside the cloth and then sew the edges of the cloth as I am doing. And yeah, our hairband is ready. You can wear it in any style. Isn't it cute? For the knot hairband, I took my old frock, cut the fabric in 70 cm in length and 10 cm width. Then by turning it at the back side, I sew it with a needle and thread. As you can see, I sew it at the end of the edges. Then by turning it inside out, I took a hairband. I had this old hairband. I took this and put the knot in the middle of the hairband. We have to put the big knot so we can give it a knot look. Just remember, we have to do it this carefully so that it turn out well. We have to take the seam edges at the bottom and the clear side at the top. We have to cut the excess part of the fabric. Now take the hot glue gun and stick the fabric to the hairband. Do this step very carefully because the glue is very hot and it can burn your skin. With the another side, stick it properly. And now at the end, we have to stick this excess part of the fabric so we can give it a finished look. I think this is the simplest DIY you can make at home with just your waist cloth. And now this hairband is very trendy for the girls. You can wear it and pose like a pro. Isn't it also cute? For the bow hairband, I had the remaining cloth of a knot hairband. I cut it in a half and just sew it with a thread and a needle. But it is a time consuming, so I had a glue gun. So I stick it with a hot glue. Just stick the ends and fold it in inside and out. Once you get done with it, you have to fold it in the middle. We have to fold both the edges in the middle. And now again we have to stick it with the glue gun, or you can use needle or thread. I wanted to save it, but it is so time consuming. I took the thread and just wrap around the bow in the middle. Just pull the thread so it can stretch and give us a bow look. Now with the leftover piece, we have to fold it and wrap around where we have wrapped the thread. As you can see, I am wrapping it around the thread. Just stick it with a glue. Do this step very carefully. Make sure it is tight. And after sticking the bow, cut the excess part of the fabric. And our bow is almost ready. Cut the excess threads and give it a look. I had this old hairband. I took it and stick the bow to the hairband with the glue gun. Make sure you stick the whole fabric. And our bow hairband is ready. I style it with a high bun. This is one of my favorite hairbands. For the pom-pom hairband, we'll need some cardboard and a wool. We have to wrap around the wool around 200 times. Once we done that, we have to pull out the cardboard and just tie the knot in the middle of the wool. Make sure you tie the knot very tight. Now take the scissors and cut the wool from upside down. We have to cut it in a circular shape so it can take the shape of a pom-pom. Now cut the excess thread and give it a circular shape. We simply have to make the laddu out of it. Cut each and every thread. Make the pom-pom smaller so it can take a perfect look. Once we make two pom-pom, we have to take a hairband and just stick it with a glue gun. We have to stick it like a teddy bear ears. This is the simplest DIY I made, and our pom-pom hairband is ready. This is the simplest and the cutest hairband I have made. Now for the turban hairband, we have to take some old t-shirt, cut the fabric 40 cm in a length and 10 cm in the width. We have to cut two sections of it. Then take both the sections and intersect it with one another. Once we have done intersecting them, we have to stretch them. After stretching, we have to take the four sides, the four ends of the fabric together. Stretch it so it can give you a flexibility. Now we have to sew these four ends. Take the needle and thread and sew the four ends of the fabric. Once we interlock the four ends, we have to turn around the belt. And our turbine hairband is ready. It is also very simple to do. So yeah, that's it for today's video. If you guys found this video helpful, please share with your family and friends. So hit the like button, subscribe to my channel. I'll be back with some amazing DIYs. Until then, bye.